Good afternoon. Hello, everybody. Thank you, Shimon, for introduction. I'm not sure if I'm the guy who develop my sensors in the evening on evenings at home, but yeah, I did some small sensors, and yes, it's like playing for me. Okay, doesn't matter. My name is Michal Berka. I am cloud architect from Mainstream Technologies, and today I would like to introduce our company, and I would like to tell you something about system integrators and how we can help you to deliver your project and also maintain. I think the biggest part of the project is also the maintenance, because we are building projects for long term, not just like some POC or some short temporary projects. Oops. Yeah, it works. Okay, Mainstream Technologies. We are a system integrator, Czech company based here in Czech Republic, in Prague. Right now we are about 60 or more than 60 employees, so not so big company, but we are mostly technical consultants. We also have a seller unit, but from the 60 employees, it's mostly technical person consultants. We are Microsoft partner, gold partner for long term. During our history for 12 years, we implement a lot of Microsoft infrastructure services, and our company is divided to several teams, and I am representing here today the cloud development team, and this team is, the main role of this team is for searching some new opportunities, some trends, technologies on the market, and we would like to sell Microsoft Azure Cloud. This is the main focus of our team. So we would like to find some technology and implement it into Microsoft Cloud. We are a member of the Alliance since 2017. So young member, and right now we are just learning technology and getting in touch with other Alliance members, and we would like to support your business. So there's some customer references, and these are not related just to IoT projects. These are related to our portfolio of the Mainstream Technologies, but these are just sample that we are able to speak to different kind of the company and also a different industry. And thanks to the IQRF Alliance, we are now able to speak to these customers and also another companies to open new projects like IoT. So let's say something about the role of the system integrator. As a vendor or as a customer, you can decide. You can go for some project for IoT technology, but I think there is a need or there is a space for system integrator, and there is some reason to deliver projects through the system integrator. If you are a vendor, you can deliver your project directly to the end customer. It's no problem. But I think there are several what-if questions. What if you would like to sell your solution to hundreds, thousands of customers? What if you would like to expand to foreign markets, to another countries? Are you able, like vendor, deliver all these projects to the end customer by your own? And also, on the other side, if you are a customer, you can take project from a vendor, but sometimes your needs are, let's say, a little bit different, and you need in your project combination of some vendors, some technologies, and you want, let's say, several contracts, several vendors. So I think there is a place of the system integrator, and system integrator is like a bridge between the vendor and the end customer. And we can, let's say, go through all this circle all these stages of the project and deliver customer final solution. We can speak to the customer, understand their business and technical needs. We can do the architecture. We can also do calculations, business cases, TCOs, and so on. We can deploy, deliver the solution to the end customer. And also what is, I think, important, it's a support. We have a professional help desk system. We can support customers up to 24/7. We have helpline and so on. How we do that? As I mentioned, we are a Microsoft partner, so most of our projects use Microsoft Azure Cloud. And you can see there is several, I said it's like bricks, some building blocks of the cloud platform. I don't want to explain what does it mean, but I just want to say one important thing. We are not running our infrastructure. We do not maintain it. We are just using cloud technologies, so it's no problem for us to be very flexible. We can support solution or project with 1, 2, 3 nodes. We can support project with 1,000 of them. It's no problem for us. We are very flexible. So from that point of view, we can be also flexible. Just start with POC, and if it's proof it's correct and the customer is happy, we can smoothly go to the production without any interruption, without any problem. So there is some table which describes the benefits, why to cooperate with the system integrator. And if you are a customer, well, the main benefit, I think, it's a phase of the pilot, some project, POC, because many of the customers need to, let's say, prove that the solution, what we are offering, it's the right one. So we understand the customer, we understand the business needs, technical, and we deploy it and try it. So during the delivery project, I think what is also very important is like we are not building the standalone projects. We also need to integrate it with some system of the customer. So there is a part, because we are oriented to Microsoft technologies, so we can join the solution or connect the solution, IoT solution, to the infrastructure of the customer. If we are working with the Microsoft Data Platform technologies, so we can do some artificial intelligence, some Power BI or BI technologies, and connect it with the existing technology or system with the customer. Also, our company is able to, let's say, build or create some custom mobile or web application for the customer if they need it. And the support, as I mentioned, we can support customer 24/7. If you are a hardware vendor, we are not, let's say, competitors. We are not developing our hardware. If I create someone, it's like just for some POC, something like this. So for hardware vendor, we support your business because we are selling your hardware, your products, your solution. And you can stay on what you are doing. You can develop and bring and create some standard sensors. And in IQRF Alliance, it's no problem for us to implement it because we know the standard and we can use it. I'm a little bit out of time. So this is our solution. We have prepared it, let's say, 1 year ago, and this is the sample. How can we work? This is panel TV on the wall, and the solution it's called iMotion. It's for smart offices, and it's really simple. We are using infrared sensors in meeting rooms and monitoring the activity in a room. We use these sensors, send data to the Microsoft Azure Cloud, and then we can do some logic, let's say, add value to the product. And we are connected to the Exchange calendars. We can compare the activity versus reservation in the calendar. And for example, if there is a reserved time and there is no activity, the green and red color line on the screen means there is no activity in the room, so we can react. If there is reserved room, nobody comes in, there is no activity, it's a green line. It means, for example, in 15 minutes, we can cancel this reservation, make it free for another users. This is a real simple scenario, but what I want to show you, it's our role, like a system integrator. Because we use the hardware, and doesn't matter if it's IQRF or another technology, or if it's vendor A or vendor B, doesn't matter. What we bring, it's intelligence above these sensors. We are using cloud, we are using data which are collected through the sensors. So this is the idea how we works and what we are able to deliver end customers and what we are able to help partners or another member of IQRF Alliance. So at the end of my presentation, I would like to say hello or say goodbye with our motto, and I hope you will enjoy my presentation and we will meet together at some nice project in the future. So thank you.